The storm that raged in the Mikkeli region knocked down trees in many places. According to rescuers, there were no casualties. Strong gusts of wind are still raging across Finland. Thunderstorms that swept over North Karelia on Saturday afternoon caused multiple disruptions to the PKS Sähkönsiirro power grid, which provides power transmission in North Karelia and northeast Savo, the company said. Faults caused by falling trees on power lines began just after noon. Around 1,000 households are still without electricity after strong winds caused power outages in eastern Finland. On Saturday, about 41,000 households lost power due to the weather. At least 11,000 people were left without electricity on Saturday night. A powerful hurricane with rain and hail began in St. Petersburg on Saturday afternoon, August 6, 2022. The city authorities announced in advance about the orange level of danger and warned that it is better not to walk along the street. The advice was correct because already from 1500 hours a gloomy something was approaching the city from the direction of Kronstadt. In coastal areas, wind gusts exceeded 20 meters per second. On the dam, due to the downpour, visibility was about 2 meters, motorists were moving very slowly and carefully. In different districts of the northern capital, wires and trees could not withstand the elements. Crowns and trunks often fell on parked cars. Hail passed in some places. Emergency teams of Badakanal are working throughout the city, eliminating flooding, as well as rescuers from the Ministry of Emergency Situations, who are clearing the rubble due to the elements. Fiery sunset with a rainbow replaced the hurricane in St. Petersburg.